Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on how to use PTPShopy. In this video, I want to guide you through the process of signing up for a new account, whether you're looking to become a merchant or a referrer. Right now, I'm on the PTPShopy introductory page. This page is shown to you after you've clicked on the sign up button on our main website. On this page, you'll see two options: sign up as a merchant and sign up as a referrer. Select the type of account that best suits your needs. If you're looking to sell products, choose Merchant Account. If you want to earn commissions by referring customers, sign up as a referrer. You can also enter your existing login details to access an existing account. If you forgot your password, click on the Password Restore and you'll be sent a Password Restore link. But for this demonstration, we will be creating a merchant account. In this section, as when signing up as a referrer, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and to create a password. Remember to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. It should be a mix of letters and numbers and special characters. If you're referred by somebody, you can enter the refer ID provided to you. Once you've created your account, click on the settings icon at the top right of the screen. You want to make sure that your account's email status has been confirmed. If you have not received the initial confirmation email, click on Send a Confirmation. You'll receive a confirmation email with a button you need to click to confirm the account. And there you have it. You can now start using PTPShopy as a merchant or referrer. Congratulations on taking this first step.